All right, believe it or not, this is not a typo. We have another storm coming, another named storm. This time it's Wayne, and this one could be a little bit bigger than Zena was. So let's first take a look and see what we got with Zena. We did see up to 5 inches of snow in parts of the state. Stamford and Old Lyme both reported that. In Milford, we had 4.3, Preston 3, Higganum saw 2.5, and in Hartford at Kara's house, they saw close to 0.8 inches of snow. That's right.
Not much where we were. Yes, I know the shoreline got the brunt of this one.
That's right. It's going to flip-flop, actually, with Wayne. Actually, northern and western Connecticut will see the most with this coming storm. But we've got about 24 hours to go before that happens. Here you see over West Hartford at Blueback Square, there was that paltry amount of snow there. It was a little bit more in Waterbury. You could see the roads really did get covered here. And in New London County, as you saw, and upwards of 5 inches of snow fell. There's a whole new winter storm watch. It goes for Sunday evening into Monday, so 24 hours away. And as we pointed out before, nothing has formed yet. And of course, early warning pinpoint Doppler is quiet. Now, there might be a few isolated snow showers tonight. That will be involved with a completely different system that we mentioned before. It'll mainly affect northern New England, but again, tonight, don't be surprised if there are a few flurries or light snow showers. It might even put up a dusting more on the ground tonight in a few towns, especially closer to the Massachusetts line. Other than that, we're going to have partly or variably cloudy skies tonight. With that, those passing snow showers. Temperatures should bottom out somewhere in the middle and upper 20s to near 30 degrees by the time you wake up tomorrow morning. Then tomorrow, for most of the day, is actually going to be all right. We'll see partly cloudy skies during the morning. The clouds will have a tendency to fill in during the day. And it actually will get a little bit warmer with readings going into the low 40s, pretty close to our averages for this time of the year. So that is the prelude to the storm. Not a bad day. But as I said, it is going to be clouding up during the course of Sunday. And by the time you're pretty much finishing up your day and getting ready for dinner, I think you're really going to notice cloudy skies. But first order of business is the isolated shower of snow threat that we'll have this evening and tonight. Not a big deal, as you see here, just a few blips. And actually by tomorrow morning, a lot of these clouds will clear out. So we'll start it off with partly sunny skies during the morning on Sunday. There's about 7 a.m., there's about 9. So going to services tomorrow, no problems at all really, other than maybe a few icy patches because temperatures will have sunk into the 20s to near 30. But the day is just beautiful. As we go even towards noon, we'll have a partly cloudy sky. But the clouds will start to come in towards 3 o'clock and then getting here to about 6 o'clock. This is when we have to think, okay, we might start to see a few flurries in the air. And between 6 and 9, that's when snow starts to spread over the state. And then it's steady snow during the nighttime hours. Here's midnight Monday. And going into the morning hours on Monday, 4 a.m. steady snow, maybe snowing steadily at 6, 7 o'clock in the morning. And then it looks like it's going to taper off to some flurries by about 9 or 10. And then we'll have clearing skies thereafter during the rest of Monday. So it's really Sunday night, Monday morning. But there could be enough snow with enough oomph that a lot of the state could see 4 to 8 inches of snow. I think a lot of us are probably going to see 4, 5, 6 inches, a few isolated 7 and 8s. And then along the shoreline where there may be a little bit of mixing with sleet or freezing rain, at least for a little while, we're thinking we might see reduced accumulations there. But we'll watch it. We might pull that line down and just say everybody's going to get 4 to 8 inches of snow with Wayne. Once Wayne leaves, it gets cold with temperatures running in the 20s Tuesday through Thursday.
All right, that is our time for right now. But